Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be unboxing the iRobot Roomba 676. I did receive this sample directly from iRobot, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this RoboVac or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. Here's how it comes packaged to you right here in a very nice retail box. Now let's go ahead and open it up. Looking for a secure and reliable way to access the internet? Look no further than ExpressVPN. Protect your personal information and browsing history from prying eyes. Act now and sign up for ExpressVPN today using our link in the description and receive an extra 3 months of service for free. All right, first things first, we have our getting started guide right here. Take a look at that. Quick setup instructions here. 6 steps total. Next, we have our product safety information. Customer care information for you too if you need to reach out with any questions, comments, concerns. Everything repeats in multiple languages. Next, we have your warranty information here. You'll see this product does come with a 1-year warranty. Moving right along, you'll see we have our power cord, charging base, all right, take a look at that. Indicator light up top, sensors galore, iRobot branding, power cord hookup right there. You'll see some additional information on the bottom with nice grip feet for us there to rest flat on our floor. All right, next up, let's grab the vacuum out of the box. All right, got a sticker to remove. I'll try to just gently rip it open. Or not. When in doubt, cut it out. All right, take a look at this. Oh, we got a nice cover to reveal it. There we go. Oh, that looks so nice. Love the silvery surface. Got a nice shine to it. Look at that. All right, sensors up top, iRobot logo and branding. We have our 3 different control buttons there. Removable dust bin. The AeroVac bin here. Look at that. And then you'll see we're able to pop it open to easily empty out, clean and replace our filter. That just pops right up and out too. And then you can just slide it right back in. And then the whole bin just goes in. Let's give you that nice side profile here. Take a look at the front with our sensors. The other side, we're back to the dust bin. And let's flip it over to the very bottom here. You'll see our spring-loaded drive wheels, side cleaning brush. We have to pull this tab to activate the battery. So there we go. You'll also see charging contacts, omnidirectional wheel, our cliff sensors, Roomba's logo and branding, additional product info there. Then we have a dual brush roller design, bristle brush down here in the bottom, a nice rubber up at the top. Get a feel too, this can move up and down depending on your floor, the environment that it's in. Basically a self-leveling. And then a little bit of play left and right, a smidge, but mostly just up and down there. Press these tabs to reveal both of the rollers if we ever need to replace them, detangle them. You can do that there. What a good looking vacuum. And just for fun, I thought I'd go ahead and show you a side-by-side comparison of the 676 next to the Roomba 692 or 694. Depending on which one you have, they're gonna be identical to each other. So take a look. The only noticeable difference is we have the different color up at the top. We can even swap out the same AeroVac dustbins. So look at that. That is compatible with both units. Pretty cool, right? So we have that going for us. And you'll see the very bottom of both units. We have our 692 or 676 indicator. That font is different. So this one's tinier and a little bit bolder than this one. Other than that, though, we're showing basically the same cleaning system. Same tech specs here. Look at that. So I don't think anything's different. Maybe just this is a little bit more, I don't know, matte, flat. Versus has a little more shine to it. But everything else, identical placement. Everything appears to be the same.